Hey guys, what's up? It's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a self-care motivation video. So let's get into the video. First and foremost, I need to clean my space. It is not looking too hot, and this is just from probably a week of neglect, but that's okay. Normally on days I clean, I like to take a shower after I clean, so I'm just starting off with getting a little beverage ready for myself and also taking my supplements. I find that taking supplements really does help me and, just make me feel better throughout the day. Also, I think it's good for like my hair and nails, so might as well pop a few pills. I find that my kitchen goes through the most wear and tear, so I normally like to start with dishes and kind of go from there. On this particular day, I had to refill my little soap scrubber, so that's what you see me doing here. I actually just ordered a bunch of Scrub Daddy equipment, so I'm really excited for that to come in. I think it'll really up my dishes game. I know this is not a new concept, like having a self-care day or one day where you focus on, things around the house or yourself, or even just like body care, which we'll get into in this video, but I just found it to be really helpful to do this on a Saturday or a Sunday, one of my weekend days where I have, the full 24 hours to really get some stuff done. I find that I feel so fulfilled and just better, and it's a great way to start the week too, especially if you work Monday through Friday. But here you see me cleaning out my sink, which is just weirdly therapeutic. Not sure why I enjoy it as much as I do, but this is something I probably do a couple times a week. Here's a little drain cleaning hack for you. It's super simple and you probably have the ingredients at home already.
All right. Not even open 24 hours.
Lately, I've been trying to implement more body care, more specifically just movement of my body in any way. So I've been trying to go to the gym a little bit more. Pro tip, if you don't like going to the gym, or if you think about it all day and you're not motivated, make some pre-workout, drink it, and then you kind of have to go. Otherwise your body gets all itchy and it just is uncomfortable if you don't work out. I think it's really important to romanticize your life and really set the mood in your own house, especially if you feel like your house is your sanctuary. But before I did some body care today, I lit a little candle. Here is my new scrub that I just got. It actually smells just like pina coladas, so it's a really fun one. I'm really trying to take more pride in my self-care and really intentionally do it as opposed to just like cleaning myself for the sake of being clean and not smelling bad. But I found that really taking my time and investing in products, or just taking a little extra time to like smell the product in the store and see if it's something I'm really going to enjoy, it's bringing a lot of happiness into my life, and I feel like my self-care has really gone up a notch. Also, my shower's a little dirty, don't mind me. But this toe scrubber, oh my gosh, you guys, if you don't have a toe brush, like, let me just put you onto that. Okay, by now most of you guys have probably heard of the Ordinary Niacinamide plus zinc. I will say, I was breaking out in this video. I broke out or purged while using that for the first time, and it's now going away and my skin is a lot clearer, but it did take like half the bottle for my skin to get used to it. Then I'm going in with my First Aid Beauty moisturizer, which if you've watched my videos for a while, you've seen before. And I just got these eye patches too. Don't know if they do anything, might be completely unnecessary, but they just feel nice and refreshing on my eyes, so I popped those on as well. Also, just so you guys know, you're supposed to put the scent boosters in before the clothing, and that was my bad. After finishing up some cleaning tasks, I kind of just wanted to unwind and have a glass of red wine tonight.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. And maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we